Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that many of you are curious about: making money on social media. Social media platforms offer incredible opportunities to turn your passion and creativity into a source of income. So let's get started on this comprehensive guide on how to make money on social media. Step 1. Choose your target audience. The first step is to identify your audience or area of expertise. Select a topic that aligns with your interests and has the potential to attract a dedicated audience. It could be anything from fitness and beauty to travel, fashion, or personal finance. Step 2. Build your brand. Establishing a strong personal brand is crucial for success on social media. Define your unique voice, style, and message. Consistently create and share content that reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. Step 3. Grow your audience. Engage with your target audience and attract new followers. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Utilize hashtags, collaborations, and engaging captions to increase your visibility. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and build meaningful connections. Step 4. Monetize your influence. Once you've built a significant following, it's time to monetize your social media presence. Here are a few common ways to make money on social media. Method 1. Brand collaborations. Many brands are eager to work with social media influencers to reach their target audience. Collaborate with brands that align with your niche and values. Negotiate partnerships that involve sponsored posts, product reviews, or brand ambassadorships. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. We mentioned affiliate marketing earlier, and it's a fantastic way to earn passive income on social media. Sign up for affiliate programs and promote products or services using unique affiliate links. Earn a commission for every sale made through your links. Method 3. Sponsored content. As your influence grows, brands may approach you to create sponsored content. This could include sponsored posts, videos, or stories. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content and ensure it aligns with your brand and provides value. Method 4. Digital products or services. Leverage your expertise by creating and selling digital products or services. These can include ebooks, online courses, consulting services, or even personalized merchandise. Package your knowledge and skills into valuable offerings for your audience. Step 5. Diversify your income streams. It's essential to diversify your income streams to reduce reliance on a single source. Explore other opportunities such as YouTube monetization, brand partnerships, sponsored events, speaking engagements, or even crowdfunding. Remember, building a successful income on social media takes time, dedication, and consistency. Focus on providing value to your audience, maintaining authenticity, and nurturing relationships. Stay adaptable and open to new opportunities as the social media landscape evolves. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on how to make money on social media. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Wishing you all the success in your social media journey. See you next time.